The ramp from southbound I-475 to westbound US 24 closed on Monday, April 22nd for ramp realignment. After delays due to the rainy spring, crews have constructed the earthwork for the new ramp alignment, and we are currently in a 60-day settlement period.
The reason we have the settlement period is so that it doesn't settle while traffic's on it. If there wasn't a settlement period and the road did settle, basically there would be a jump and a dip at the beginning of the ramp, or it could be anywhere on the ramp really, and that basically cause a safety hazard, and it makes the ride less smooth.
Crews are regularly monitoring the settlement before returning to finish the project.
All that's left is we have some cement stabilization at the each end of the ramp, and then after that they'll start laying their aggregate base and then asphalt on top of that, and then we'll have some overhead signs go up too, and then it's guardrail, and then we should be good to go.
Despite the rainy beginning to the season, crews are hopeful to open the newly aligned ramp at the end of October.